What are they pass through here?
My brother, maybe small thing they happen for you. Would they beg the first state government, make them help us. That this quarter now, we'll see where they carry this stand. Now we arrange boys, make them come out this thing, because if you rain for water they full here, nobody fit stand.
All this place.
Show this place.
Show this place.
See, oh yeah, this one way here. See where water they in.
That camera come.
See am. Yeah. Where water they in. Where rain fall. But yeah. So water they full everywhere. Make come help us for the quarter. Now the quarter now be the problem. I beg.
That be the major problem.
Yes. Where
this road lead to?
This road they link to Ogbogoro, Mbaraya side.
Mbaraya side.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir. What is your name?
My name na Isaac Friday Ekpan. I'm from Akwayo.
Thank you. Yeah. So, what is your name?
My name is Goodluck.
Goodluck. Where we do like this?
We dey for emergency estate.
My estate for NTA road.
For NTA road.
So how they pass this side? How they manage this side?
This place is a completely water site. Every day when small rain fall, we don't have safe for here. So now we are begging Rivers State government to help us.
Okay.
Because now, as I speak to you now, there's no way to live about all this kind of thing.
Okay.
Till the next tenure. So now we are asked for Rivers State government to help this portion of road.
So what be the major problem? Like the drainage or
the drainage, we are suffering for drainage every day and night.
Where water dey reach if rain fall?
That one no go area, you no fit pass here. Everywhere is flooded.
Thank you. So what is your name again?
My name is Goodluck.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.